AI voices, and they will keep talking. You keep interrupting if you want the interactive side. So I could take a podcast. I want you to imagine this. Are there any books that you like? So I'll give you an example. Do you see this book right over here? I'm going to give a little plug to somebody I don't know, but watch this. So I have a book I bought. It's called Masters of Uncertainty. And Rich Deviney is a Navy SEAL commander that has some really good stuff that I liked, when I read it, and I take notes in here because it's really, really good. So I went to Manus. I said, do me a favor, do some research for me on this guy. Get any podcast that he has, get any work that he's put out there that's public domain, and I want you to create, okay, a PDF for me. I took the PDF, I loaded it in here, and now I could learn the stuff that's in the book by listening to it. Or I could just say, this is called Rich Deviney's Masters of Uncertainty. So I can have it create an infographic for me if I want to. He should do this, but not me. But I can load up anything I want to learn about AI right in here, and I can listen to it while I'm doing other work as my own little coaching corner or knowledge advancement corner. Right? So I'm showing you stuff for business and for yourself as well, right? So I like the book, even if I didn't buy the book. Even if I didn't buy the book, can I have AI go to YouTube, scrape the transcripts, and maybe 2 or 3 interviews from a teacher that I want to study? I want to study Claude co-work. Can I go and just get that information, load it in here, and come up with flashcards, a data table, or anything else that I want if I want to level up my knowledge and skills? If I want to become better in selling, if I want to learn anything. So I could do it for my clients, my students, or for myself with one tool. I mean, it's like insane how powerful this is. Give me a podcast I can ask questions of. Like, oh my God, right? So it's creating the infographic. I can create a quiz out of it, right? So I can generate a quiz for myself. I can generate flashcards for myself. This is one of the most underutilized tools in the world right now, and it is mega powerful. So that one's NotebookLM. It's one of my favorite ones, right? For my own learning, but also to create, something unique and different. So here we go.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping straight into something everyone deals with. That feeling of chaos when uncertainty hits.
Yeah, those moments where stress just spikes and you feel kind of stuck, paralyzed almost.
Exactly. So our mission today is to explore how you can actually harness that stress. Not get rid of it, but use it. Turn it into fuel.
And we're drawing heavily from someone who knows extreme pressure, retired Navy SEAL commander Rich Deviney. He spent, over 20 years in the SEAL teams?
That's right. A lot of that time specializing in how they select and assess candidates for those incredibly tough roles.
And he's taken all that experience and boiled it down into a framework based on, neuroscience, really.
And it's not just theory stuck in the military world. Big companies, Google, American Airlines, even sports teams like the 49ers, they're using these.
So again, you understand what I'm doing with this? I can take anything I want to learn, create a free book to learn, and for my own stuff, I can create it, download it, and share it with my students. So value add, value add, value add. You got to be different in today's day and age. What you give has got to be different. Let me just see if it did the infographic. This is elite mental resiliency. So look at this, Masters of Uncertainty, the Navy SEAL Guide to High Performance, the DPO framework, he's solving the equation of fear, duration, pathway, outcome, the physiological reset, set meaningful horizons, step into fear. Now, if I wanted to say, hey, I just read Rich Deviney's book, and to help me, I created this infographic, and here it is for you. Okay, what I would do if I wanted to do that was add his name, saying, this is his intellectual property, not mine, in all fairness to him. but they did this in 2 seconds, right? It did it while I'm on here with you. And why am I sharing this with you? I want you to remember, right, what I shared with you like on day 1, 2, and 3. You've got to create content that people want to consume so they follow you. You're building a tribe, you're building a brand. And so this is just another way to be highly effective. Now, all of what I just showed you, the stuff that we're going to be doing and teaching with all of our students over the next 6 months, 9 months, 12 months is how to automate all of this. I'm showing you manual ways to do it, but imagine you could just give a command once you set this up. Hey, on Mondays, I want you to do some research, or over the weekend, do some research. Organize, the research you're doing into the top 10 and the top 5, create articles, videos, blogs, infographics, podcasts for me. And by the time you get to work on Monday morning, it's there for you to review. And then your AI can actually post it for you as well, using a variety of different AI tools to post for you. AI can then go and respond to people who like your post and interact. It'll blow your mind. It's like it just will blow your mind where this is now. For those of you that were on early, I mentioned to you, I spent 2.5 hours yesterday with my AI expert, at $1,000 an hour. He's in South Africa. He's actually a faculty on our team as well, going through setting up my Claude code. I was looking at this thing. I'm like, what in the world is this? Like I was learning a whole new language. And maybe if we have time later, I'll show you like an advanced thing because it's advanced. It's not for beginners, okay, who don't understand, coding and how to set it up. I paid somebody to help me because I had no idea how to set up. All right. So are we good with NotebookLM? So just remember, there's 100,000 tools out there. You just need to know the 5, 6, or 7 that you're going to use, but you start off with the 2 or 3 that you need right now. Okay. So that's NotebookLM and how you use that. I'm going to go to Claude next. So Claude, all right, is Claude is a tool, right? And can you all see my screen? So Claude is a tool, and I have 2 different Claude accounts. So down here in the bottom left, okay, you see I have a personal plan. We just moved my entire company to everybody being on Claude because it really is a great tool if you're a company to be on Claude. So everybody gets to use all of the work that we do with the skills and all that stuff. But what I want to show you, okay, let me just go to Pro Plan, and I think the Pro Plan. Let me just go Pro Plan settings. Let me just see account. Hold on, usage. Right now, Claude has had a 2-for-1 special, meaning you get twice as much time for about 2 weeks. So this just shows you, all right, my use, and I use it quite a lot, but it resets April 1st, and I've used 70% of my tokens. And I'm on the $30 or $25 a month. I think I just upgraded to the $200 a year plan. I was paying $25 a month, and I just upgraded to $200 a year. But what I want to show you is right over here. First, this is called capabilities. And capabilities, all right, work with your skills. So you can add skills to your Claude. And all it means is imagine, did any of you ever watch the movie The Matrix? Do you remember when Neo's connected, to that thing in the back of his head and he's shaking a little bit and then he wakes up and he goes, I know Kung Fu? Think of skills as pre-made skills you can just add to Claude, or you build the skills you want and it becomes part of your agent's capabilities. Does that make sense? So A, you either build it, and there's ways to do that, or B, you just get them from other people who've built it or from the skills store, and then you just connect them to your skills so that your agent has specific skills. and some are open source and some are closed source. Okay. So GitHub, again, is a little bit more intermediate and advanced, has tens of thousands of skills that you can get from people who've loaded it up there. But if you don't have tech skills and you don't know how to do this, I had to learn how to do this. So do you see over here, it says there's also something that's called connectors. So what you do here in connectors, I have it connected to my Google Drive, right? So it can go into my Google Drive and do work in there for me while I'm doing other stuff. So I can connect it to my Gmail, to Gamma, to Figma, to Canva, to our Slack, okay, to Vibe prospecting, okay? So I can connect it to what I want. Now, why would we want to do that? Well, if I go to a new chat, I can say, go into my Google Drive and find my latest testimonial folder that was just created in March and give me a link for it so we can take a look at it together. So because I've connected, okay, Claude to my Google Drive where everything is, it's going into my Google Drive. You see, here's the link. So not only, hold on a second. Let's go back. That doesn't appear like it's the right link. All right, so I'm just going to talk to it like it's my agent. Does that make sense? Like this is my employee. So it's gonna dig in. All right, so let's just see. We'll try this one. Open the link. All right. So it's not there, but I'll share with you what I did. I'm just going to type it master testimonials. So do you see this folder in here? It says NeuroGym master testimonials. What I had Claude do after I connected it to Google, I said, go into my Google Drive and find everywhere that we have testimonials from students and create an organized document for me so it's easy for me to pull testimonials out. So it went into about 5 or 6 folders and it not only ranked them, okay, it's given me need to, wealth strategist, winning game of business, income growth, 200 a month from zero. Here's the testimonial. John, I've crossed my Claude did this. I didn't do it. I just gave it access to my folders and it went and organized everything for me. Okay. So John, I've crossed my goal, making $200,000 a month. I struggled for so long. I started from zero. You taught me how to value myself. Your coaching support is unbelievable. Now I can use it. Sales letters, live events, and ads. Does it have a video? Yes or no? Where's the source and what's it best used for? So now I can train my Claude, write email campaigns for me, get the best testimonials for this program, product, or service, and it will go and just do all the work. It'll find it, write it, do it, load it, give you a finished copy. So it created this for me. John and Heather Keuchel, $1,500 in the bank, okay, to properties worth over 12 million. Mark Lack, okay, I wasn't even making $5,000 a month, okay, now he's doing $1 million a month. Ari Witten, all right, I've gone from making $36,000 a year, health coach, by the way. Now he has the Energy Blueprint podcast to $3 million a year. Neil Stroost, marketing in Amsterdam, doubled his business, has 1,000 salespeople now. He's made the impossible possible, doubled his business, expanded to Belgium, Spain, Germany, and now he's coming to the US. Started 5 new businesses, over 1,000 salespeople. We sell over 100 million a year. Danny Morell. Let me just see. Danny Morell. All of our lead generation, lead conversion, completely automated. We're on our way to become a $50 million a year company. After 12 years in business, I started using AI. I just had my biggest day ever in sales, 198,000 in 30 minutes. Jacine Drummond, skincare expert. Carolyn Sanderson, I talked to you about her. First 200K a month, 7-figure net worth in 8 months. So it organized all of these testimonials okay, by elite, strong, different industries for different programs, products, and services we have. Does that make sense? All with one connector, one prompt. Hey, go into my folders, find this, create a document for me that'll make it easy for me to have testimonials in an organized way.